Hello everyone, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss about another topic related to Cobol, where we will see how we can create a negation condition with if statement. Prior to that, we have already discussed various type of conditional statement where we use a relational condition, right? Sign condition, name condition, right? So these are all things we have already discussed. So today's session is in the continuation of the same, where we will discuss about how to create negation condition. Okay. So to create negation condition, I have already created one program. So I'll quickly walk you through this program and then we will try to execute this with different value and we'll understand what is the actual logic behind the negation condition. So I'm taking option 2 here to open this program in edit mode. Now here you can see, firstly we have initiated the identification division. Now what is identification division? Identification division is used in order to show the identity related information of the program. So here you can see we have just noted down identification division like program ID test PGM, which is nothing but showing the program name. You can see test PGM, test PGM. Then author, which is denoting the name as Sharmit. So this is again using to provide the information related to program. So whatever the information we can show as an identity of program, we can kept in this identification division. Now, if you don't know about the basic things like why we are using division, what all type of divisions are, why we kept this particular line as blank, then I would recommend to go and check out the sessions in a proper sequence from first session, because step by step we have discussed each and everything in detail. Theoretically, practically, everything is covered, right? So if you want to understand this thing completely, then I request you to go and check out the previous sessions, because there we have already discussed these things in detail. And for now we are just focusing on this uh, negation condition part. Okay, fine. So after identification division, I kept this comment line just to show you the topic of the today's session, which is if conditional statement negation condition. After that, we have initiated the data division, and under data division we have declared the working storage section. Now what is working storage section? Working storage section is used to declare, means it under this whatever the variable we are using throughout the program or throughout the code will be declared here. So you can see for this example we just need one variable, so I declared one variable and the declaration is like this. Those who don't know how to declare variable, although we have discussed it in previous session, but still I'll quickly show you, divide you the I'll quickly show the division of this part. So you can see the first part is mainly we declare a variable always in 5 parts. The first part is showing the level number, then we have data name. Data name is the name of the variable which we will use throughout the program in order to access the value. Then we have PIC 93, which means picture clause 93. Now what PIC is here used to denote the picture clause, and 9 is denoting the numeric and 3 is denoting the maximum 3 digit. So that means this age variable can hold up to maximum 3 digit value, and these value would be of numeric only. Then later on we have declared another clause which is value clause. Although this is an optional clause while declaring the variable, but for this example we need one variable with some assigned value. That's why I just stored the value as 15. Clear? So this is nothing but this line is showing that we have declared one variable with a name age, and it can hold up to 3 digit numeric value, and the value which is initialized right now here is 15. Okay. So after this working storage section, as I mentioned, we just need one variable, so I directly started the procedure division. So under procedure division we will just write the main logic of the program. So here we will talk about the negation condition. So first thing you can see here on line number 15 is if not age equals 15, then display age is not 15 and end if. Okay, so you can see we have used new command or variable. What you can say, it's not. What is not? Not is the only thing which we call it as a negation. So what it will do, it will check if age is not 15, then it will print the message age is not 15. Okay, so firstly this variable will be checked, age is 15, yes it is 15. So in that case it will add not, age should not be equal 15, and then it will print the message age is not 15. Now here you might be thinking like we can also put the else condition. Yes, you can put else condition, but just to show you the difference between both command, I kept this line of code where we are checking age is 15. So you should know the difference between these two blocks, right? Here we are checking not age 15, matlab means age should not be 15, and here we are using age 15, age should be 15. So in case of age should be 15, it should print the message age is 15, but in case of when age is not 15, then in that case it should print this age is not 15. And after that we are just using stop run to end the program. Okay, so right now we have stored the value as 15. So what output you are expecting from here? Okay, let's verify. We have 15, it will check age is not 15, no it is 15, so it will simply skip this entire block. Okay, then it will come to this block and it will check age is 15, yes it is 15, so it will print the message age is 15. Right now I have just kept the print command, but you can also add other logic also as per your need. So after printing this, it will go to end if and stop run the program. So let's see if we are getting the correct output or not. I just compiled this program and now I'm calling this. So you can see age is 15 is printed, which means our output is correct. All right. But let's say if I change the value to other than 15, for example 10. In this condition, what it will print? It will check for 15th condition, line number 15. Age is not 15. So what we are holding right now in age is 10. So 10 is not 15. Yes. So it will print the message age is not 15. This time it will execute this line, age is not 15. After that it will go for end if and check for the second condition. Second condition is age is equal to 15. So age is 15. No, it is 10, because right now we have stored the value as 10. So it is not true. So in this case it will skip this part and the entire block will not get executed, and directly the code flow will go to this stop run. Okay, so after going to stop run you will see that it executed only the first line. So let's verify it. I'm calling this program and you can see this time it printed the message age is not 15, which is correct because age is 10 now. So I hope you have got the actual difference between age equal 15 and age not 15. So whenever in an interview question, if you encountered this type of question, what is negation condition? So you can just simply say that whenever we are using not statement in front of any condition, that particular condition is called as negation condition, because there we are checking for negation, negativity. Negation means negativity. Negativity means opposite thing. Okay, you can make it as negative, negation. Okay, not conditions. So if you put not in front of any condition, then that particular condition is known as negation. So this is a negation condition and this is the normal condition. Okay, and apart from this, one more thing I want to tell you, like it is always not mandatory to print only the statement. You can put any logic, like whatever we have learned so far you can use as per your conditions, and you can make whatever you want to make, right? it, so the main thing is only that like it will execute whatever you are writing between int if and end if block will be executed only if your condition is true. In this case the condition will get true only when the age is not 15. So if it is not 15, then it will execute the block, otherwise it will skip the block. And here it is checking for age is 15. So if condition returns true, it will execute whatever return inside this if and end if, otherwise it will skip this block. Clear? So yeah, I think now these all points are clear to you, and I hope it is now you have all good knowledge of all the type of statements like we have discussed, uh, relational statement, then sign statement, then we discuss name conditions, right? And today we covered the negation condition. So that's all for this session. In the next session, we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.